Cherimoya, Atomoya, Custard Apple, all similar names for fruit that are quite similar. These are Atomoyas, and today we are going to make these into a delicious gelato in the Ninja Creamy. So the Cherimoya is an actual custard apple. These aren't Cherimoyas. Custard apple has been described as the most delicious fruit in the world by Mark Twain. They're also known as the ice cream fruit, the custard fruit, lots of different variations. They are also known as an Anone, a Sitafal, and a Srikaya. But an Atomoya is a hybrid. It's a hybrid between a Cherimoya and a sugar apple. And generally these are much sweeter with a much more delicious custard kind of texture. You have to wait for them to ripen, so they go quite soft like avocados. When I bought these, they were quite hard. So a few days, 3 or 4 days, and they start to soften up. Where you put your thumb down on the edge, give it a little squeeze, and it gives quite easily. I could probably leave these for another couple of days, to be fair. I don't think they're quite ripe enough to eat just yet. So I'm going to leave these and enjoy these independently later on. But sugar content is about 14 grams per 100 grams. So about 14% sugar content, which is pretty much the same as a mango. So we can treat this in a similar respect to a mango, and that's what we're going to do. First thing we need to do is talk about the ingredients that we need for this Atomoya / custard apple gelato. You're going to need 375 grams of custard apple flesh, Atomoya flesh. That equates to about 3 ripe fruit. 321 grams of whole milk, 254 grams of whipping cream or heavy cream, 128 grams of sugar, 45 grams of glucose syrup. You can use corn syrup or golden syrup, 55 grams of skim milk powder, and we're going to use 2 grams of Guar Gum. Cold process. This is going to be different. We're not heating this up. We are blending this into the delicious mix we're going to process in here. So the first thing we need to do is get the flesh out of our custard apples. When they're ripe, this can be quite a dirty process. So if you want to wear gloves, do that. But otherwise you get the smell of that custard apple flesh, Atomoya flesh coming out, loads of seeds in these. So make sure you get all of those seeds out. But those 3 fruit gave me just shy of 400 grams worth of usable flesh. Don't use the outside. That is not good for you. Just that super soft, creamy, whitish flesh inside. With all that, we're going to add everything into a blender. We're going to make sure that we stir our guar, so our stabilizer, in with our sugars to completely break apart any of those clumps. And with it in the blender, we are going to fire that up and do it on low for 1 minute and then on high for a minute or 2. We want this as smooth as we possibly can. After we've processed this, we're going to run this through a fine mesh sieve and get any little particles left out. And as you can see, there's just a few little specks of seed casing, etc. come out of here, but it really isn't too bad. So now that we've got that processed, we're going to put that into our Ninja Creamy container and get it in the freezer. This one's ready to go. So we've got everything here. Let's get our Ninja Creamy tub out, going nice. Yep. We're going to turn this on to ice cream setting and let it do its thing. Right, process done. Let's see how we got on. There we go. Get rid of this. Oh. Let's get some scooped up. So there we go, Atomoya, Cherimoya, custard apple gelato. Oh, that's incredible. That flavor, that is delicious. Never had this before in my life. Super smooth texture. I mean, incredibly smooth texture. Really, really, really nice gelato. It's kind of got elements of pineapple with a little touch of banana in there. A little bit of normal apple in there, like green apple, Granny Smith apple. I don't know, maybe a bit of papaya in there too. Yeah, That is really nice. Really, really nice. I got these fruit from my local supermarket, or one of my local supermarkets. I know you can get them in the UK in exotic fruit and veg markets. You can get them in Bath in England. You can get them in Bristol. You can get them in Reading. That's so nice. It's really difficult to describe that taste, but it's like an all-encompassing tropical kind of flavor. Really nice. Cherimoyas grow in Florida, actually. So, you know, if you're in the US, you'll have no problem getting these. But you can also use Cherimoyas, so standard custard apples in this recipe. I really recommend it. You go and find these weird kind of dragon scale looking fruit from either your local store, your somewhere that sells exotic fruit. Online, you know, these days you can go online and order exotic fruit and have it delivered next day. So there's really no kind of excuse to not try things like this. Really, really nice. They look weird as shit when you're dealing with them and taking the flesh out and getting rid of all those seeds. Let me show you how many seeds come out of those 3 fruit. Those seeds, all of those seeds, probably 70 plus seeds came out of those 3 fruits. So there's loads of seeds in there, and you've got to just put it in your hand and just squeeze it and the seeds come out. But I'm going to grow these. So if you want to see how I get on turning these into small Cherimoya fruit trees, then subscribe to my other channel, The Hydro Lifestyle. I'll put a link on the screen here. There's a link in the description as well. And I'm going to just polish this off because it's 8:05 in the morning on a Thursday. And I'm going to go for a paddle in Spray Lakes Reservoir with my buddy. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you next week.